Hey friends and family, it's Wendy with The Wendy Moore, and I'm here with my April unboxing videos. So let's get started right away with my standard order is 2 containers of our Balance Complete. This is our protein powder that is a combination of proteins and carbs, and it tastes delicious. It comes in a vanilla flavor, and I love the customization that I can do by just adding a scoop of cocoa or maybe adding my favorite juice. But typically my shake contains every morning jalapeno, spinach, avocado, Ningxia red, some sulfate, some sulfurzyme, and also some of our other supplements that I add in there. So collagen is one of those. So it's just what I look forward to every single morning. So that's 2 of those every single month because there's 15 servings per container. Usually have 30 days in the month, so that gets me through the month. Also in this order was a free bottle of Thieves household cleaner as part of the loyalty rewards orders. This was a gift with purchase, and also gifts with purchase were, I usually do these last, but I came to them first. Also gifts with purchase were lemon essential oil and pine essential oil. Lemon is a fantastic degreaser. If you've got stickers that are stuck on anything, just a little dab of lemon on a paper towel and rub gently and it will remove that sticky surface. Imagine if it can do that on exterior areas. What happens when you put lemon vitality in your shake in the morning and it works on the inside of your system. I love it. I also ordered Idaho Blue Spruce. Idaho Blue Spruce is great for hormone support, and we put it in a capsule for my husband on the daily. Then I also ordered, this is something I don't talk about frequently because it lasts so long. I usually only order 2 bottles a year. This is our Art Foaming Face Wash, and this product comes out of the bottle as a foam. It's a foam pumper top, and that means that I don't have to apply harsh movements to get a foam or a lather on my skin. It's already lathered, and this takes off even the most stubborn eye makeup. But it's gentle. If I got it in my eyes, it never stings. So I love this formula, and it's my absolute favorite one of the facial washes from Young Living. So that was one of my orders. My next order, that was a loyalty order. This is also a loyalty order. I ordered a little bit more product on this one, so I got a few more loyalty reward products that were gifts with purchase. So starting off, a box of our multi-spectrum multivitamin. It's called, oops, there they all go. It's called Master Formula. You've seen me talk about this probably in every single video, but I never get tired of showing the convenience of a 4-pack of capsules and tablets that are easy to take with you on the go and give you a full complement of vitamins for the day. So that is our Master Formula. Also, I just talked about sulfurzyme. Sulfurzyme comes in 2 formulas, pills or powder. I prefer the powder. It's infused with Ningxia red and or the Ningxia berries. And what I love about this is I don't have to wait before or after a meal to use this. I can put this in my shake and consume it right away rather than waiting for an hour for that product to get into my system. Also our Agile-E's. I got 2 of these this month. One's floating down there. That's all right. In this box. So 2 Agile-E's. That one supports our joint health. And then I also ordered our longevity, and I got 2 bottles of longevity. These are essential oil gel caps, and these do exactly what they say. They help support us for the longevity. And then I also ordered our Sandalwood Boswellia Firming Cream. This has been fantastic for those bat wings under the arms, for the cellulite on the back of the legs, and any other place that you might have a troubled area that you would just like to firm up. Smells delicious, and it harnesses the frankincense, which is also known as Boswellia. Then I also got, this was one of our last chance deals, I believe it was, or anyway, it was a discontinued item. So I splurged and got myself a new large brush for my cosmetic application. Those were the products that I purchased. My free products, another bottle of Thieves Household Cleaner, because we go through this one like it's water. Every surface of my house is used with Thieves Household Cleaner, from the ceilings to the floors and everything in between, including my woods. So it's a fantastic product. We can't live without it. Then other free products that I got. Let me grab these out here, see if I can hold them all in one hand. Purification essential oil. Purification helps to do just that. Purifies the air in our home. I love it in the diffuser. Add this with a drop or two of tea tree or lemon, and you will have a refreshing scent that is also invigorating in your home. That will be purifying your air. Another bottle of pine. I like pine, especially in the diffuser during the holidays, because it gives off that scent, but it's fantastic to add to your Thieves Household Cleaner if you want to add a pine scent to it. Lemon, again, we talked about lemon in my last box. And Thieves Essential Oil, excuse me, this is another one that goes in my shake every single morning. Thieves is just acting as a protectant for us, and so it helps to support my wellness. And then tea tree. Tea tree, I think most of us know that tea tree is great for the skin. My husband got into something, possibly poison ivy, but he's been having a lot of discomfort from that. So we've been using tea tree on it every night, and it's allowing him to get the rest he needs and let his body repair. So those were my other loyalty order. As I've said in the past, I get 2 loyalty orders a month, and that way I also get 2 gifts every single month. So moving these out of the way, I've also shared with you that I have a professional accounts order, and that simply means that I can resale product and earn a 40% commission off of those sales. And so in my order this month for the professional account were 2 containers of our collagen, Inner Beauty Collagen. Let's see if I can get the label towards you. There we go. This is a single scoop, and I have had such success with it myself that a lot of my friends are asking me to order it for them. So these will go to my friends. And then this is another Agiles that we ordered for a friend and a customer. And then 2 more boxes of our master formula. One is going to a friend and one is staying with me. So those are my orders for this month. I can't wait to share with you what I have ordered and we'll have for our May. It's another new kit that I want to share with you. So stay tuned, and I will see you again in May.